Hello.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. We'd like to introduce our first video, but before we do, we said on our update we have some exciting news, which we urge you to watch to the end of the video so we can make our announcement. Back to our video, the first one is about our time at Port Douglas and then when we moved on to Bramston Beach. We met friends at Port Douglas, spent a lovely weekend making memories, sharing stories, and we met them at St Crispin's Cafe initially before we went to the site.
St Crispin's Cafe is an old railway station that used to be used by the sugar industry, now used as a tourist train. Unfortunately not running at the moment because of the COVID situation, but the station and the cafe are still open and well worth a visit.
It was wonderful. Wonderful setting as you'll see in the video. So enjoy and we'll get back to you through the video.
Bye for now.
Our first video of part one of our adventures away earlier this year. As you saw, we finished off at Brampston Beach when it was very, very wet, but we did manage to have the back doors open and soak up the sound of the sea and the beautiful view.
And enjoy coffee.
Yeah, absolutely. But you know, the curlews, although there was a lot of them, were very, very, very quiet. However, that concludes part one. And now to our reveal.
Yes, as you'll see on the screen, we have our stickers.
The stickers have arrived. And if you've liked what you've seen, please give us a thumbs up, leave any comments, subscribe to our channel, and await for our next episode of our time away in the adventures of Merlin. From the Aussie Explorers, bye!
Bye. See you in part 2.
See you in part 2.